Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix media creation tool error 0X80072F8F space 0X20000 in your Windows R computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to select your media creation tool. Once you have selected it, please do a right click, then scroll down and go with properties. The moment you have opened this new window, you need to proceed on general and look for an option called unblock here at the bottom. In my case, I am not getting such, but in your case, if you have, just have to uncheck the box there, okay? Just have to uncheck that and click on apply and then okay. Once you have unchecked it, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second step. Okay, so our second step will be we need to bring up our Google Chrome or whatever browser do we have in our Windows or computer. Just have to open it and wait until you are being redirected to that particular browser. And once you're here, you need to copy this link at the description box below. Control C to copy and paste it here at the Windows search bar, Control V and then click on enter. The moment you have the click on it, wait until you are being redirected here at this website called Mediafire, where you can download a file called Microsoft EasyFix 51044. Okay? Now, the good thing about this is it only contains a lesser amount of of space. In fact, it only contains 1.16 megabyte data. So definitely, it will only consume a lesser space in your computer, which is good. Okay, just have to click this download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, you have to, so that we can proceed to our next step. Okay, once you have downloaded it, it will only take a less than a minute to download since it only contains a lesser amount of data. Just have to open it and now it's preparing to install. Then click on I agree and then click on next. So the moment you've the click on next, just have to wait until it is being installed and then try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.